Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is John with Modern Day Gypsies. Today we're coming to you. We're going to repair the rear panel of our little dinette here. We noticed that when we had our pop-out out, that this panel was popping out. We had some stuff packed in there and it was pushing on it, and with the weight of the pop-out kind of hanging down, it got a little out of whack. So as you can see right now, it's way off by about a quarter, almost a half inch. So now as we move it in, okay, so now we have our pop out in, and as you can see, everything is in a 90-degree fashion again. Only problem is when they put this together, they just use these little weak nails that just weren't able to hold it in. It was a very quick and easy fix. Just make certain that everything is in a 90-degree fashion, so that way when you screw it back into place, it'll stay secure and strong when you bring your pop-out back out. And I just put the screws in where the nails were in place previous to kind of cover up those holes, and hopefully that helps you out.